oil side goes right down, and that just helps this thing so it doesn't stick. And if it gets sticky at all, just put a little more flour on your fingers. And you can see it's starting to form like a rectangle. I might pick it up a little bit here, just give it a little stretch. And it's getting there. It's probably about 6 by 10 right now. I'm just about the size I want it to be. And again, I'm gonna really work hard on knocking those bubbles out of the dough. Otherwise, because you don't really need them in the Stromboli. We're gonna roll this up like a cigar in a few minutes. It's pretty available anywhere. I go heavy. This has got a nice kick to it. This is like 3 or 4 slices of ham. Your favorite ham works. The sopressata goes on next. And there's no particular order. We just find this kind of nice, this layers it nicely. Peppers, right? Onion, which is nice. So I break these into smaller chunks. Again, because I'm gonna be rolling this up. It just makes the rolling process a little bit easier. I'm basically just grabbing the edges and just folding it over, okay? And now what I'm gonna do is just roll it like a cigar. If something falls out, that's okay. I kind of make sure I'm tucking the food in as I go. I'm not rolling it super tight, but I've got a lot of rolls there. And then I've got to this point where the dough is at the end, and I'm literally just gonna pinch it together. Pinch those edges together to close it up. This is the time I'm gonna use parchment paper. And I just put a little oil on top. And now when I go into the oven, watch how easy this is. Just slide it in. Awesome. It's nice. It's got a little bit of color on top. It is hot, steamy. It's gonna be totally done inside, no doubt. I'm gonna put it back into the oven just to get a little color on top. Get the broiler going now. I can see the broiler's on. Oh, look at the color of this thing.